Google's Pixel series is about to enter the ranks of genuine premium competitors after years of playing catch-up in the smartphone market. Without any discernible hardware flaws, the Pixel Pro 99 XL offers top-tier features. It also offers a thrilling range of new features, but will it be able to really challenge Samsung's dominance with the Galaxy S24 Ultra flagship? The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra fight will decide which Android flagship smartphone is worth your money because of the intense rivalry. The Pixel 9 Pro XL represents a noteworthy shift in direction, exhibiting premium hardware specs with few sacrifices, in contrast to Google's recent focus on developing budget-friendly flagship smartphones with wise trade-offs. Even yet, if you choose for the smaller Pixel 9 Pro model with a 6.3-inch display, it's still less expensive than Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Pixel 9 Pro XL really gains the hub's first advantage in this regard. The Pixel 9 Pro models have a little advantage due to their peak brightness of 3000 nits, despite the fact that both devices have excellent display characteristics including QHD resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and LTPO technology. Although this difference is little since brightness is evaluated logarithmically and the advantages decrease at higher levels, it is noteworthy that the Galaxy S24 Ultra delivers a reasonable 2600 nits in comparison. With its anti-reflective display, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a more useful advantage than just performance. Furthermore, compared to the earlier Gorilla Glass Vicus 2 utilized in the Pixel 9 Pro, the Gorilla Glass armor delivers superior scratch resistance. The S24 Ultra is among the top options for usage in bright surroundings and intense sunshine because to its absence of glare. Changing our attention to processing power, Google's Tensor G4 makes its debut with the Pixel 9 Pro series. Although we are currently assessing its real-world performance, prior Tensor processors have often trailed behind the industry's top rivals. If this trend continues, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in the S24 Ultra may continue to have a little advantage. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.